Today we're going to explore a unique combination that can elevate your skin and hair routine to a whole new level, all naturally and without spending more money. Yes, that's right. Coconut oil and alum are two powerful ingredients that, when combined and applied to your skin and hair, can offer benefits that even the most expensive skincare and hair care products might not provide. In this video, I'll be sharing the remarkable benefits of mixing coconut oil and alum, along with a step-by-step guide on how to prepare this mixture and apply it effectively. So, let's dive in and discover all the details about these amazing ingredients. Coconut oil is a real gem for your skin. It's packed with fatty acids that deeply hydrate, leaving your skin soft and glowing. Plus, it's loaded with antimicrobial properties that help protect against infections. Research shows that coconut oil contains lauric acid, which helps prevent the growth of bacteria and fungi. It also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities, shielding your skin from sun damage and aging, and keeping it looking fresh and youthful. When it comes to your hair, coconut oil is a game changer. It nourishes your hair, making it stronger and shinier, reduces dandruff, and helps prevent hair loss. Now, let's talk about alum. It's a natural astringent, meaning it tightens your skin and controls excess oil. Alum also has antiseptic properties, so it helps prevent skin infections and can even stop minor bleeding from cuts. So when you combine coconut oil and alum, you get a powerful mix that offers amazing benefits, often surpassing those of more expensive products. Let's explore how this combination can really make a difference. Enhance skin protection. The combination of coconut oil and alum provides exceptional protection for your skin. As we've seen, coconut oil is packed with antimicrobial properties, and when you mix it with alum, its protective effect gets even stronger. Imagine this. On one side, coconut oil is fighting off bacteria and fungi, while on the other side, alum is working hard to prevent skin infections. When you apply this mixture, you're actually giving your skin double the protection. Coconut oil nourishes your skin with its natural properties, while alum uses its astringent and antiseptic qualities to keep your skin safe and protected. That's why this combination is so powerful. It offers all-around protection for your skin, helping to guard against acne, pimples, and other skin irritations effectively. Improve skin texture. The combination of coconut oil and alum also improves the texture of your skin. Here's how it works. When you blend coconut oil with alum, it creates a unique balance. Coconut oil, as you probably know, deeply moisturizes the skin and adds necessary oils. On the other hand, alum has astringent properties that help control excess oil, tighten pores, and prevent the skin from becoming too oily. People with oily skin often worry about using coconut oil because it can make their skin even oilier. Similarly, those with dry skin might avoid alum because it can sometimes dry out their skin too much. However, the magic of this mixture is that it maintains a perfect balance. It ensures your skin neither becomes too oily nor too dry, making it look fresher and clearer. When the oil balance of your skin is well maintained, the overall texture improves. This balanced approach also provides significant relief from issues like acne, blackheads, and other skin problems. Soothing and healing. Let's discuss another fantastic benefit of this unique mixture, its soothing and healing effects. Often we face skin irritations or minor injuries and wonder what natural remedy we can use at home. Sometimes we don't have antiseptic solutions like Dettol handy, and we're unsure about what to apply to stop bleeding or prevent infections from minor cuts and abrasions. In such situations, the combination of alum and coconut oil serves as an ideal solution. This mixture can be used to treat skin irritations or minor wounds effectively. When applied, it provides a kind of first aid treatment that's both safe and natural. It helps stop bleeding and reduces the risk of infection, making it a reliable choice for home care. For example, if you or a child gets a minor cut or scrape, applying this mixture can quickly address the issue. The coconut oil offers moisturization and antimicrobial properties, while the alum helps with bleeding control and infection prevention. This method is especially useful in emergencies when you can't immediately access medical supplies. In addition to its immediate benefits, this mixture supports the skin's natural healing process and reduces the chances of scarring. It's a simple yet effective way to manage minor injuries and maintain skin health. Beneficial for hair. This mixture is incredibly beneficial for both your hair and scalp. It acts like a natural conditioner, nourishing and strengthening your hair while adding shine. Not only does it enhance the health of your scalp, but it also helps reduce dandruff. The combination of coconut oil and alum works wonders for improving scalp health and fighting scalp infections. For instance, if you struggle with dandruff or scalp irritation, applying this mixture can provide significant relief. Coconut oil is known for its deep moisturizing properties and antimicrobial effects, while alum can help reduce inflammation and control excess oil production. Furthermore, this mixture can be especially effective if you experience scalp issues like boils or pimples. The antimicrobial properties of coconut oil combined with the soothing and astringent effects of alum can help manage and alleviate these conditions. To use this mixture, simply apply it to your scalp and hair, leave it on for a while, and then rinse it out. It not only helps in treating existing issues, but also acts as a preventative measure, maintaining a healthy scalp and promoting overall hair health. Preparation of this oil. After discovering all these benefits, you might be wondering how to prepare this amazing mixture and how to use it. Let's break down the process step by step. First, you'll need coconut oil and alum powder. You can either buy pre-ground alum powder from a store or grind it yourself from alum crystals. Before starting, make sure you get the ratio right. Typically, you mix about 1 teaspoon of alum powder into 100 milliliters of coconut oil. You can adjust this ratio based on your needs. For instance, if you have oily skin, you might want to increase the alum slightly. Conversely, if you have dry skin, you might reduce the amount of alum. Start by taking a bowl and adding the coconut oil. Next, add the alum powder to the oil. Mix thoroughly until the alum is completely dissolved in the oil. This might take some time, so be patient and mix well. Once your mixture is ready, store it in a clean, airtight glass container. To apply the mixture to your skin, first cleanse your face or the area where you want to apply it. Take a small amount of the mixture on your fingers and gently massage it into your skin in circular motions. Leave it on for about 15 to 30 minutes, then rinse it off with clean water and a mild soap or cleanser. If you're applying the mixture to your hair and scalp, massage it thoroughly into your scalp and hair. Leave it on for about 30 minutes or, for better results, overnight. Rinse it out with your regular shampoo. You might need to shampoo twice to remove all traces of the mixture, as it can sometimes be a bit stubborn. Coconut oil is widely recognized for its benefits for both skin and hair. It's rich in medium-chain fatty acids, which provide deep moisturization and have antimicrobial properties. Alum, on the other hand, is known for its astringent qualities, which help control excess oil and tighten pores. For instance, if you have dandruff, this mixture can help alleviate the issue due to its ability to reduce inflammation and control fungal growth on the scalp. Similarly, for those dealing with acne or oily skin, the mixture's properties can help in balancing oil production and soothing irritated skin. Precautions. When using any new product, it's important to follow some precautions to ensure safety and effectiveness. Here's what you need to keep in mind when using this mixture of coconut oil and alum. Precautions. Patch test. If you're using this mixture for the first time, always perform a patch test. Apply a small amount of the mixture to a small area of your skin and wait for 24 hours to see if you have any allergic reactions or irritation. This helps ensure that the mixture is safe for your skin. Correct ratio. Ensure that you use the correct ratio of coconut oil to alum. Too much alum can cause skin irritation, while too little may not provide the desired effects. Stick to the recommended ratio or adjust it according to your skin type. For example, if you have oily skin, you might need slightly more alum, but if your skin is dry, use less. General safety. Aside from these precautions, there are no major issues to worry about. This mixture is generally safe for most people to use. Just follow the recommended precautions, and you should be fine. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And if you know about how to improve digestion naturally at home, so click on right video